Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. I've not long, well I say not long, a good hour ago, dropped the kids off at school and I really need to do some cleaning. I'm freezing and I know I feel like I keep starting all my videos off saying how cold I am, but as I'm filming this it is like a blizzard outside with snow. What is all that about? I was like ready to get my flip-flops out and put my winter coats away. Obviously that is not happening anytime soon. It's still freezing and wintry. But yeah, my house is gross, needs cleaning. I've been away, if you follow me on Instagram you'll have seen that I've been on a little city break to Paris, which was just the most joyful, wonderful thing ever. But as soon as I do like one thing that's not in my usual routine, like everything just goes to pot. So the house needs a good clean. So I've got a few hours until obviously I have to go pick the boys up again. So I'm just going to get as much as I can done. And I bought a few cleaning products this morning as well on my way back from the school run from Home Bargains. So I'll just show you what I got. So obviously, obviously these are not cleaning products. Maybe they're like mid clean snacks. But yeah, just a couple of other bits that I obviously got in some dog chews and those boring bits. But I got some new cloths. So I got some Minky kitchen cloths. I like the feel of them. They feel like they're gonna like grab everything, you know, like everything's gonna stick to them. I always rave about these. I really like them. Just good for anything that's a mirrored surface or obviously windows and glass. They're just good for obviously not having your smears, and I'm not very good at cleaning windows and things generally, so these I find really good. I also got some Zoflora spray. I got this rhubarb and cassis anti-bac spray. Got some of these as well because I want to just chuck my bedding in, and I always use these on beddings and like pillowcases and things. I'm going to give the living room carpet a bit of a clean as well, so I got some 1001 carpet shampoo. I also got some more of this because I love it. I just love the smell of it, and I just spray it around like Febreze normally. But it's also good for just spraying on bedding and curtains, getting the creases out of them. So it's just the Lenore crease release. They do other fragrances, like scents of this, but this is definitely my favourite. But yes, I'm gonna clean as much as I can before I have to go pick the boys up again. So I'm starting out by putting my bedding in the washing machine. That way I can get on with tidying up the kitchen whilst that is washing. And then I am just emptying the dishwasher, anti-backing all of the sides and the cupboard fronts as well. Now I am just putting away the things that I'd bought from Home Bargains. So I'd got some pastries, a couple of snacks, and obviously putting away those cleaning products, so just decanting them into the relevant storage systems that I have around the kitchen. I have to say that the Zoflora spray that I got from Home Bargains I'm using pretty much anywhere and everywhere at the moment. Smells absolutely amazing. It is definitely my new favourite. It is definitely worth getting. It smells gorgeous. Then for the hob I'm just using some Cif cream cleaner and just a sponge and just giving that a real good scrub. I love wiping it off afterwards with a clean cloth. I find that really satisfying. I also used exactly the same as well on the sink.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to right. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two. The good. There are other ways and
Then the last area is the floor, so I'm just going to hoover that, and then just to mop it I'm using hot water, a little bit of washing up liquid and some bleach. I tend to do that about once a week with the mop bucket, and then in between that I'll use the mop that I can just put the wet wipes on and just go over the floor a couple of times a week with that, especially when the boys get in from school and things. There's always footprints, but I'll do like a bleach deep mop once a week normally.
seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to right. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out.
That is the kitchen all clean, and next I am moving in to the living room. The sofa is always all over the place. It takes like one child to sit on that in the morning and it just goes crazy. But luckily I don't need to hoover underneath the cushions because I had done that not long ago. I mean, it probably could have still done with a little hoover, but I did not have the energy to take all of the cushions off, so I am just plumping them all up, making it look nice and neat and tidy. What I like to do a lot of the time is like rearrange a lot of these cushions just so they're sort of getting all like even wear. I'll do that with the bottom seat cushions as well, just because obviously some seats get sat in more than others. And then just going to hoover over them and spray some of the crease release all over the chair. I am so glad I bought that again. It just smells amazing. I hadn't bought it for a while, but it's such a nice scent around the house. And then once the sofa is all sorted, I am going to get my carpet cleaner out. I will link this down below because I just love it so much. I think it's a really good carpet cleaner. It was gifted to me. It was a brand that I worked with, and I am obsessed with this carpet cleaner, just my favourite. So yeah, I'm just going over the carpets and giving them a nice clean.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough, so don't you be afraid.
And again, I'm using the Zoflora spray and just spraying everything with that basically. And the new cloth that I got from Home Bargains, the glass cloth.
As long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, wanna fix, wanna heal where it's hurting. Gonna put out the fire where it's burning. I will be there with all of my being. Ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take
makeover, and that is another room done. So the carpet cleaner has a dry setting on it as well, so you can dry them after you've cleaned them, so then it's perfectly fine to hoover up afterwards. Obviously normally you are supposed to hoover before the carpet cleaner, but I had already done that literally the night before, so I didn't feel like I needed to hoover again before I clean the carpets. But then sometimes when you clean the carpets with the carpet cleaner, it just makes like little fluff balls and things, so I was just hoovering over any of that. And now I am heading upstairs to my bedroom to put the bedding back on, which I have washed and dried. I just tend to keep on my favourite set at the time, and I'll wash and dry it and then put it back on again. Or if I don't have time to do that, then obviously I will put a different set on. But this one at the minute is my favourite. It's from B&M. It's got like a nice little frill all around the edges, and yeah, I think it's really pretty and really soft. I've had a few messages recently about this bedspread that I have on my bed. I don't know if they still do it anymore, but it was from B&M. It's nice actually, because I find it difficult to find one that's big enough for a king size bed, but this one fits really nicely. But yeah, just not sure if they still do that or not. Next, I'm over to my dressing table. Please do not judge the state of the drawer with all my makeup. And yeah, I've got loads of makeup on the side at the minute. Archie had been getting things out whilst I was getting ready as well, so it's not actually all because of me. He was like, why do you have so many bottles of foundation? Like, well, he didn't know it was foundation, but he was getting all of the bottles of foundation out and be like, Mum, you have loads of these. So yeah, I'm just putting all of that away, and then again I'm there with this Zoflora spray, which is my new obsession, and just putting even more makeup away.
Lemonade. I don't wanna quench your thirst when you got the crave. I'm not a poster, it's on your wall. I'm a human after all, and I'm tired of being emotional. Shadows when I lay awake, I hear you how you sigh like an earthquake. No blisters on my hands.
And that is my bedroom tidy. By this point I had gone to pick the boys up from school. That was as much as I got done in the time that I had. But when I got back, I just quickly went over the landing and also the bathroom. I've said this a few times about the bathroom, like I do find it like the most awkward little space because the toilet is separate. So filming in there when I'm cleaning it is just really difficult because there's just not enough room to swing a cat. So it's an awkward little space. And it's a very tired little bathroom, but I'm giving that a clean. The only thing that I didn't get done was the boys' bedrooms, but I'm trying to encourage them to do that a little bit more themselves now. And they weren't that bad, to be honest, but I'm also doing like a little bit of a makeover on Dylan and Archie's room. It just needs a little bit of TLC, just like repainting, and just like the odd job needs to be done in there. So I'm gonna do that soon, and I'll be filming it.
But yes, this is what I managed to get done this particular day. I didn't want to spend all evening cleaning, so this is where I called it a day. I hope that you enjoyed this little speed clean with me. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, because it just really helps me out, means loads to me as well. And if you're not already subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hopefully you will come back again for my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.